Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and this is Saturday, May 16th. In this video, I want to look at Party City. This is it. The stock just started trading in the middle of last month. So it's been about a month, and this is the type of setup that I like to see in order to go long, and I'll go through it. So the first day, the high was up at 2084. Then the next day was when it really set what I would call the enthusiasm high, where everybody's got to get this. I remember CNBC covering it really this day, and then I think the next day they just said, hey, Party City closed up another 4%. Let's have a party. But this is the high here at 2214. So the stock traded below that and then ultimately broke above this high of 2214 but couldn't hold it. Okay, then on Friday, big wide-ranging day, big swinging day. I think this was probably the widest range that this has traded in a while, if at all. So how are you going to trade this stock? First of all, you can wait for the stock to go above 2260 and then you buy it with a fair degree of confidence. Do you know why? Because every single person who's owning this stock is a winner. So nobody's looking to get their money back and selling to avoid taking a loss. The only way they would be selling is to take their profits off the table. And when you've got a stock like this, it hasn't like really pulled back and given anybody a real good time, a perfect time to enter. You're not going to have that many folks, maybe insiders, but I don't know when the lockup is on that. You're not going to have anybody with really big profits that is going to be apt to sell this stock as soon as it breaks out. So my point is this: you buy this thing here on a move above 2260, or buy it on any kind of a pullback here, right? So you can buy it on any pullback. But here's another way that you can look at it, and I do this a lot on IPO, on new IPO stocks. Look at the hourly chart, and you can see that there was a lot of activity here, a lot of activity, much more so than here. You can even see, let me get rid of the first one. Yeah, you can see the volume bars here. Okay, where are the high ones, the red ones or the green ones? Obviously, the green ones here. So this is a stock that is under accumulation. When I look at the daily chart, I see just this resistance over the last few days. But when I look at the hourly chart, I see support right down here. Resistance here, support here at 2140. So when I look at this stock now, my risk really is just about that much. It's just not that higher risk to be buying this stock right now. So I want you to consider this. Consider the wide range during the day. You may be able to get this stock on a dip. I'm sure you will, because it is volatile during the day. So watch it on an hourly chart. Shoot, you can even watch it on a 15-minute chart and really get a better entry. So anyway, that's it. Members, over to the weekend update. Our sector spotlight this week is on some of the energy names that are, the stocks that we're covering have one thing in common, and it has to do with the 50-day moving average. So I'll see you over there.